Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use a Vax carpet cleaner. Begin by removing loose debris, check attachments, and read the machine fill lines. Pre-treat stains with recommended solution, then fill the clean water tank with hot water and cleaning solution per instructions. Plug in and select the correct brush and suction setting for your carpet type. Test on a hidden area before deep cleaning the whole room to ensure safety. Set the Vax to the right mode and adjust brush height before starting. Start at the far corner and work backward toward the door in slow, overlapping passes. Keep a steady pace to allow suction to remove water and debris and empty the dirty water tank often. For heavy soiling, make 2 passes and reapply solution on stubborn areas. Always unplug and rinse tanks after finishing to prolong the machine life. Treat stains promptly with a Vax-approved spotter before deep cleaning. Blot fresh spills with a white cloth. Do not rub, which can spread stains and damage fibers. Use targeted agitation with a soft brush for set-in stains, followed by a cleaning pass. For pet stains, apply enzyme cleaner and let dwell as directed before extraction. Inspect results and repeat if needed, then allow carpets to air dry fully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.